Welcome to my park bench. It's very hot outside today, but I decided to go to Hoboken Pier because I thought these would be like the most coolest shots of New York, of what's happening in the pier. There's such great vibes, and it's just fun interacting with the community and everything and talking to other people. This is yours?
Yes.
Getting yourself out of your comfort zone and testing out this cool new camera, see how the mic sounds, if it picks up any wind noise or if it picks up the people around me and everything. There's a lot of noise happening. Damn, it is windy. Grab life by the claw. Look at that engine go. Whoa. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I have like the little cute face detector. Look at this. That is awesome. So I'm always gonna be in frame. We will continue onward, as they say. And I hope you guys like the footage that I've taken so far. The lighting here is great, kind of, except now that my face is in the shadow. Okay, now it's too bright. Now it's too bright for my little eyes. I hope you guys enjoy the footage and the B-roll shots that I got. Hey. Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So one of the security guys at the pier was basically saying like, "Oh, what are you filming for?" And I'm like, "Oh, I'm just filming for my little YouTube channel stuff." And they're like, "Oh, maybe you could talk to one of the managers and you could do some content for us." And then I'm like, "Oh, I mean, yeah, like let me squeeze that in with my 9 to 5, my YouTube stuff and my freelance work, sure." But I'm like, "Oh, opportunity is opportunity." So he went and called the manager, one of the managers, and then told me basically like, "Oh yeah, like we have someone in season for that stuff right now, but here, like leave us your contact information and everything, and then we could be in contact with you and stuff." I'm like, "Okay, cool, bet, good luck." So I basically did that. Maybe I should have given him like a website. He said, "Do you have a business card?" I'm like, no. Like, I do not have a business card. I know that makes me a little bit more official to have a business card, and people love their business cards. So maybe I should start doing like a QR code with all my content and stuff, because I do a lot of content and work, but like I never present it to somebody unless it's like for a job. Next time I'm gonna build out my business card or a QR code. But yeah, I hope they reach out. If not, it's okay. I'm trying to build my YouTube up. But it's really cool that people are noticing, like you have a camera, you start recording stuff, and everybody's like, "Hey, do you want to work for us?" And I'm like, "Okay." Man, it is hot. Let me sit down. Okay, so I was trying to do a time lapse, but I'm hungry now, and I think I just want to go eat somewhere. I took a cool slow-mo shot of this fountain over here. Yes. Yeah, there's some cool opportunities over here that I can do. I love how this follows me around. I'm really trying to utilize the most out of the features on this camera, making sure I use it in like every single setting with the noise, with different type of lighting situation, with different type of noise environment, all of that. Using the face tracking too, using the time lapse, slow-mo effect, everything. Everything I can creatively think of that I can use with this camera, I am trying to do my absolutely darn hardest for it. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below whether you like the quality of the camera, if you like the cute little vibes here. I know Hoboken is always such a fun place to be at because there's just so much going on. Like that helicopter above me right now, if you can hear it. Damn, why is it so loud? Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video and I hope you continue watching the other ones. Leave a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are, and yeah, till next time, bye y'all. Stop following me now.